This is the runtime interaction between the PLC and the SCADA. So the process starts by pumping all the water from the storage tank to the sedimentation tank. So the pump 1 and the valve 1 will open, which will pump all the water from this tank to the second tank. And after the pumping finish, the it will leave some time for the impurities to sink to the bottom, and the fan here will provide some movement so allow some water flow for the impurity to sink to the bottom. And then to start for about 10 seconds, so water will pump into this tank for about 10 seconds, and then the pump 1 here will control the relay, will control the fan, the fan will run for about 10 seconds for all the impurity to sink down to the bottom. And the impurity movement is controlled by these 4 lines, which will turn on at frame 1, frame 2, frame 3, frame 4 at different positions. The process will pump the water from the sedimentation tank to the chloride tank, and pump 2 and valve 2 will also on. After the pumping process finish, the oxidation tank, the valve here will open, so the oxidation tank will eject some chemical into the chloride tank, and then the fan 2 here will mix the water and the chemical together. Not all the let make it start first. So it's pumping water for about 10 seconds, and then the fan and also the valve here will be open to inject and mix all the chemical together. So not 100% water from the sedimentation tank will be pumped into the chloride tank, because we have all the dust and impurity precipitate at the bottom. So we pump about 80% of the volume into the chloride tank. So the next process is to pump all the water in the chloride tank into the purified tank. Pump 3 and valve 3 will be open. So this process is about 10 seconds. We can change, like we can estimate the pump time, the real pump time, and then we can change it here. So when all the water is pumped into the purified tank, and the valve 4 will control the flow of the water from the tank to the storage tank. So if we want to transfer all the water to the storage tank, just simply open the valve, and then yeah, it also takes about 10 seconds to transfer all the water into the storage tank.